It's coming up on the Day of Love, and the Love Doctor, Dr. Langlois of the Pet Pantry, has some information for all of you who are interested in getting flowers for that special someone.
She loves me. She loves me not. She loves me. She loves me not. Oh. Hi, everybody. This is Dr. Langlois of the Pet Pantry of Lancaster County, coming to you with your pet health tip of the day. And it is the holiday of love here in February, Valentine's Day coming up in a few days, and a lot of people will be getting this charming flower right here, the symbol of love, the red rose. And some people do have some questions about roses, and are there any concerns that they should have with their pets? And there are a few that we do bring out there. The first of which is, fortunately, this one. The wonderful people at the flower shop were nice enough to cut away the thorns that are on this the stem of this rose. And thorns actually can be a problem. Dogs and cats, potentially, if they're intrigued, knock something over and then walk through it, they can get the thorns embedded in their fur, embedded in their paw pads, which can be very painful for them. On rare occasions, if they do decide to actually eat part of the stem or anything like that, just kind of testing it out, or if you have a Labrador that just wants to eat everything, they can potentially ingest them, and that would cause a problem. So you really want to try to make sure that if you are going to have roses around the house or something like that, just try to take the thorns off to keep your pets a little bit safer as far as their skin and their paws are concerned. The other question that comes up with roses a lot of times is, are they toxic in any way to pets? And the answer really is no. There's no real set toxicity to the rose or anything like that we worry about. If they do ingest them, you might have to worry about a little bit of vomiting, maybe some diarrhea, just because it's going to upset their stomach. But it's not nearly as toxic as some of the other plants out there that we worry about with pets. So while we don't want them ingesting it, if they do, you're probably just going to have to deal with some nausea, maybe some vomiting, maybe a little diarrhea secondary to ingesting some of the plant parts. However, in some bouquets that are given out, and especially you are getting closer to Easter, not totally there yet, but I was when I was picking up this rose this morning, saw other bouquets that do had lilies in them. And I cannot stress this enough, the veterinary profession cannot stress this enough. Lilies kill cats. It's just that simple. There are aspects to lilies that cause really severe and acute damage and failure of their kidneys, and it's not, a lot of times can be irreversible. So we want people to remember, if you are giving any kind of bouquets or springtime bouquets or wonderful flower arrangements for the one that you love, make sure that if there are lilies in it, you make sure there is no way that a cat can get near it. It's even a little bit of just nibbling on some of the plant itself can be enough to send these cats into renal failure. So please don't put yourself through that. Don't put your cat through that. Forget about the lilies. Focus on something beautiful like a rose here if you want. That'll be far safer for your pet if you take the thorns off. And that is your She Loves Me, She Loves Me Not pet health tip of the day. I should have done this with a shamrock. She loves me. She loves me not. She loves me. She loves me.
For more great information about potential Valentine's Day hazards to your pets, be sure to check out some of these websites. Or always be sure to contact your trusted local vet. If you suspect that your cat may have even come in contact with lilies, be sure to contact your veterinarian or emergency clinic immediately.